Unaffordable fees are crippling families. Parents, in many cases, pay the equivalent of a mortgage each month. And across the state, as you know, there are nearly 50,000 children on waiting lists denied a childcare place. Many parents find themselves relying on family members to mind their children while they're at work. Some are forced to cut back on their hours or consider leaving their jobs entirely. And now, Taoiseach, we hear that mounting cost pressures have seen nearly 1,000 early childcare facilities close their doors over the last 6 years. Now, your government committed to reviewing core funding to operators, but that hasn't happened and it's had devastating consequences. Of course, it's just another promise broken by your government. The news of these childcare closures will come as no surprise to the tens of thousands of parents desperately seeking a childcare place for their child, but it will add to their stress. The childcare crisis is one of capacity, but it's also one of affordability. And your government has done a very, very poor job of tackling these persistent issues. The job of government, you see, is to build a strong, sustainable childcare system that's affordable. That is good for children, good for society, and good for an economy where people can have a good work and family life. But your government hasn't shown any ambition, vision or urgency to deliver this childcare system that working families so desperately need. You've known for a very long time that you need to invest in buildings and sites to increase childcare spaces. But you have dithered, you have delayed, and now we have tens of thousands of children waiting. The big problem, you see, is that Fianna, Fáil and Fine Gael are very good on promises, but very, very bad when it comes to delivery. You promised a roadmap to €200 a month childcare within the first 100 days of your government. Parents waited more than 300 days, and what they got was a rehashed pledge to deliver an affordability roadmap sometime between 2027 and 2029. Children needing a childcare space now will have started school by then, Taoiseach. Taoiseach, do you really think that hard-pressed parents can wait another 2, possibly 3 years before you even produce a plan to cut their childcare bill and wait more for its delivery?